Hello everyone, I'm Kure. Today I will make a stir-fried veggie and pork miso. I hope it's a correct English name. I checked the Google, but I couldn't find the correct English name. But at least I stir-fried some veggie and minced pork using miso. So maybe it's a correct English name. I made it this one. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Looks nice color combination, is it? Taste also good though. So this is a homemade dish in Japan. This one. So I hope you can expand the miso cooking repertoire using my channel. So let's start making. So these are ingredients. If you don't want to use the meat, you can use the soya mince instead. So first, I will cut the aubergine. So please chop aubergine into chunks. So cut the aubergine diagonally first, then cut it while turning it, like this. Next, I will cut the green pepper. So take seeds first. I struggle to take the seed. So cut into small pieces, and this has nothing to do with cooking, but I thought this was commonly called green pepper, but in Australia it was called capsicum. I was very surprised. Even in English, the name changes if the country changes. Aubergine as well. So that's why learning languages is fun. Sorry, I spoke too much. So next is the seasonings. And please cut the green pepper like this. So 2 tablespoons of sake. And 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Any sugar is okay. And 2 tablespoons of miso. So please mix well. All the seasonings are smooth, like this. So let's stir fry the ingredients. So add some oil and turn on the medium heat. I add the 150 grams of minced pork. Please stir fry until almost cooked. After the minced pork is cooked enough, please add the vegetables. Then I will add the aubergine. So at first, stir fry only the aubergine until it becomes wilted. It will take around a few minutes. So after the aubergine have wilted, add the green peppers. And then I will add the green pepper. After adding the green peppers, reduce the heat to low and cover, and then steam for 3 or 4 minutes. Excuse me, but I will skip showing the scene with the lid. It's embarrassing to show you because my lid is old enough, so I'm looking for a new one. But I steamed for 4 minutes, so please steam using the lid. After steaming, return to medium heat again and add the seasonings. And then turn on the medium heat again, and then other seasonings. So mix the ingredients and the seasonings well, and then it's almost done. Looks good. Dun dun dun. お腹すいた。So serve on the plates. Looks good. Miso のいい香り。じゃん、I made it. Looks good, right? So let's begin. I'm hungry. じゃん、I made it. Ready to eat. お腹空いたよ。Let's begin. いただきます。いただきます。So, green tea first. はあ、おいしい。Let's begin. So first, I will eat aubergine and minced pork. これ。So juicy, おいしい。Most Japanese love aubergine and the miso combination. Good taste. おいしい。So you may think uncomfortable at the sugar in cooking. When I made this recipe dish, I added some sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. But because overseas cuisine or cooking, I think hardly add the sugar, is it? Only dessert add the sugar, I think. But Japanese food often add the sugar in cooking, not dessert. This is our culture, I think. But if you don't want to add the sugar, I respect. Don't need to add the sugar. But I think when you make this dish, I just want to recommend add some sugar because the miso and the sugar is a really good combination. Maybe you will understand why I said it after eating this dish. So please give them a try. Because delicious. おいしい。I really feel this is Japanese cuisine or cuisine, homemade dish. So please try it. So thank you for watching my YouTube video, and I will make another flavor using the miso. So I hope you like it. So anyway, thank you for watching my video. So see you in my next video. Bye.